Finding pieces on the outside of the box that move on this puzzle is not difficult, but finding the step of movements in order to open it up is going to be where the difficulty lies. This puzzle box has 12 steps to solve it, and once you solve it, you can store a deck of cards inside. This puzzle box is made by Puzzle Guy and has a difficulty of 9 on a scale that runs from 5 to 10. To get the King of Spades puzzle box for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca. Now to open up the box, we're going to flip over either onto the heart side or to the diamond side. It doesn't matter which one you do first. With the diamond side, we can move this one step to the left. Then we can shift this box up, and then we have to move it one more step to the left, and then we can lift it up one more time. Now, like I said, we could start with either side, but let's move on to this one here. Instead of moving this one to the left, we're going to move the heart to the right and move it up one step. Then we're going to move it to the right one more time and move it up one more step. Now that's only the first few steps. We still have a few more to go. So next, flip over onto the back of the puzzle box, and we're going to shift the back panel of the puzzle box 90 degrees. Once you've shifted this 90 degrees, you can go onto this side, and again, it doesn't matter which order you do these steps in, but we can shift the spade all the way down, and you can see it's going to release this lid here, but we still can't release the lid just yet. We have to do one more step, which is flip over onto the club side and move it down as well. And that now allows you to slide open the lid. And inside you can store a deck of cards, or like in our case, a puzzle. To get the King of Spades puzzle box for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca. To lock the puzzle box back up, just do the steps in reverse.